Aloha, it's Tani here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make Biko, a Filipino sweet rice. Here are the following ingredients. Mochi rice can usually be found in any Asian marketplace. Look for any labels that say sweet rice or glutinous rice. First, reserve half cup of coconut milk and half cup of brown sugar for the topping. Wash the sweet rice under cold water until the water starts to run clear. Let the rice soak in cold water while cooking the coconut milk. In a double boiler, or if you don't have one, you can do a makeshift of it by setting a steel mixing bowl over a pot. Be sure to fill the pot with about 2 to 3 inches of water. Bring it to a soft boil. Then add in the coconut milk and let it cook for 15 minutes while stirring constantly. Be sure to keep the water boiling as you are cooking. Add in the brown sugar and mix it with the milk for about 5 minutes. Drain the sweet rice and add it to the double boiler to cook for another 30 minutes or until it is thick. Be sure to constantly stir to prevent the rice from sticking to the bottom. Line a 4x4 baking pan with wilted banana leaves. This acts like a parchment paper and it gives it a nice extra sweet and florist flavor. To wilt the banana leaves, wash it on both sides. Then hold it over a high burner flame until the leaves turn a dull green color. Try not to burn the leaves, but if it is too smoked, wipe it with a damp cloth. After lining the baking pan, pour in the sticky rice pudding. Then sprinkle on the coconut milk and brown sugar. Bake it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Then lower the temperature to 300 degrees Fahrenheit for another 30 minutes. Let it completely cool in the pan, then it should be able to hold its form to be cut into square pieces. Serve and enjoy this onalicious Biko.